Glass for the Windows, video number 8. In this video we're going to learn how to install a little glass pane into each one of the window openings. It is a very simple process and each one of you should be able to do this in no time, and in order to do that we're just going to like always, we'll start with the tape measure, and I like to outline always our window, and then from that outline the guidelines will make our glass pane. Let's make it over to the side. It makes it easier. We'll make it a component from it and then install it. So we'll make it 1 by 1, 1 meter, comma 1. Alright, we'll pull that out, extrude it to, let's make it 0.05, kind of the similar. It's probably too thick, but we'll just do it for convenience and ease sake. And then we'll make a component. You can highlight that. Let's back up and let's do something a little different. Let's see if it'll work. Okay, I want to start all over here because sometimes they connect if you're not careful. Alright, well, once again, come back out, extrude it 0, and then I'd like to erase these lines so that there's no connection when I actually make it a component for it. Now take your select tool, highlight it as always. As we make a component, edit, make a component. We'll put this, name it glass for the Windows, create, and we're done. Next we want to install it. Installing it, we want to get a baseline measurement, so we have to navigate our house a little bit so we can make a little line there to know where we want to install it at. We know that this window frame is about 35, so let's go up 30. We'll go half the distance, or no, excuse me, 15. Let's go 15.15. Snap that into place, and let's make another line on the side. This will give us a reference point when we move the glass plane into place right there. So we'll move it right into that corner. Alright, we'll use our move tool, take it by the corner, endpoint component, drag it across, and try to get that endpoint right there at the intersection and snap it in place. And there you have it. Well, as you can see, this is not a glass, so we need to make it opaque or clear. And so we'll take our paint bucket, and we can get anywhere if you want to have a little tint to it, as in a little bluish color glass. In the center you can see, and take our opacity, and let's just move it way down to almost clear. We'll move it just about the end, and then let's see how that looks. Okay, that's fairly clear. If you want to have, you can see the glass there. If you want to change that color a little bit, you can. Like I said before, if you wanted to give yourself a little bit of a tint, we'll just approach over there and you can see there. Let's try another tint. As you can see, it kind of tints it. And you can even bring that a little darker if you wanted. And you can see some tint there, and you can adjust it accordingly. But there you go. That is installing a glass pane in your house, and you can see it from a distance. Alright, good.